Hello, hello, hello. Precious cats of Mama Kiss are here. Here's Eve. Ibong. Hi. Why are your eyes is? Ibong? Ibong. Ibong. Hi. Hello. Hmm?
Narrate.
Why are your eyes is looking at me? Ibong. Ibong. Huh? Eve. Eve. Bingal? Bingal is cleaning his ears. Yee, dirty. Okay. Hi, Bong. He dirty Ibong ears. uh, uh, mm. Ay. Uy. Because it's dusty. Ibong. Mama Kiss, comb your hair.
There's no hair on
There's
his hair.
there's no hair, it's only fur, huh? I tell you. I tell you. There's no
That's the cause of your cough. Your hair balls. 4 balls.
Oh. Bong, Mama Kiss, wear your necklace. Huh?
Collar.
I tell you. Go. Is pound. Pound is handsome and beautiful.
Unahan sa itang bitik pag itang laki eh.
Ay, laka! Apalapan! Apalapan!
Yes, yes. Pan. You're cleaning. Do not keep on. Masabot ni mo lang na. Pound! Kahit tukal sa pagkakagay ulo ni Pound. Behave! Told you to behave.
Behave, Pound.
Hmm?
Behave, Pound.
You
Behave.
are not doing anything bad. Just cleaning.
Behave, Pound. Especially this one. When we're cutting this one, this other one will push the wall on your ear. That's why you feel itchy. The other ear. Uniti dong. Lagi masamad. Shhh! Yan ni Paano eh. Kung saan ni Sharon? Where's the... tagak na ang kuan. So like,
Brush.
uh, uh, mm,
Mama Kiss will not accept no for an answer. So you better stop moving. And go with the flow. Whatever I will do unto you, it's for your own good. Nothing else. Next, you have to put him this one for the anti-tick and the anti-worm. over here, back of his neck, because he's been scratching. I've been observing who among them scratches the most. So it's been Eve, Keen, and this one. I've been saving this for the one who needed it most, because supply is so limited, finances is so limited. Our priority is their food and vitamins. We cannot even give them regular vitamins. For the 16 of them, we just prioritize those who are not feeling well, especially now when they are having coughs. Last one is the change of color.